Hey guys, I just wanted to show you what I'm eating for breakfast today. So I have an orange in my hand here. I just peeled it and I'm going to be putting it into my smoothie here, which has 5 ripe bananas and about roughly a cup of fresh parsley. This is something that I eat every single morning. A lot of people are surprised. 5 bananas? Oh my God, that's too many. It's really not. It's actually a little bit weird in our culture that we think that it's weird to eat 5 bananas. It's actually a very normal thing. Our ancestors have been doing that for hundreds of thousands of years, but all of a sudden, recently, it's become a weird thing to eat bananas. Our culture is very scared of sugar for some reason, so you don't need that. The bananas actually feed your brain with necessary glucose, your liver, and all that. So in my smoothie, I'm also going to be putting some spirulina powder. Spirulina, it's not like the best brand in the world, but it's the best I can do. Barley grass juice powder. I'm going to put a spoonful of those in there. And also, these are some Atlantic sea dulse, Atlantic sea vegetables. Extremely healthy. I learned this information from medical medium, and I've been doing this for about 2 years now, and this style of eating has been the healthiest thing I've ever done in my entire life. I've completely healed myself of eczema, which I had since I was very young, and allergies. I very rarely get sick because one thing that I'm doing is I'm just putting the hell, if you want to see how it looks, I'll show you. So these are some of the healthiest foods on planet Earth. You can learn more about all these foods from the medical medium. That's the most advanced health information on planet Earth by far. Here's some spirulina. So if, in the new year, you're looking to be more healthy, if you were asking God for some better quality health info, that's not just telling you to eat steak and eggs and shit like that. You want to actually be properly healthy and cure yourself of diseases, have tons of energy. I gotta show you what I'm doing here. I'm putting the dulse in. This stuff is crazy, man. It's a little weird when you first eat it, but if you read Medical Medium's article on if you Google Medical Medium dulse, or if you Google Medical Medium barley grass juice powder, or if you Google medical medium bananas or medical medium parsley, you can learn about how these foods actually work and how they're really healthy for you. If you don't know what medical medium is, he's just this dude. He has a healing gift. It's very powerful. So anyways, that's what I wanted to share with you today. I'm going to be blending this and drinking it. So yeah, I just blend it with water, no milk. I don't use almond milk or anything like that. I don't want fats in my fruit smoothie. You just want the fruit. You don't need the fats. No peanut butter, no protein powder, no eggs, none of that. You just need fruit, leaves, right, and water as well. That's the best way to do it. Adam, where's your protein? Well, first of all, you don't need as much protein as you think you do. You can still have nice muscles and stuff without as much protein as you've been led to believe by fake science that's funded by fucking meat and egg and protein supplement companies. Very creamy from the bananas. Yeah. So this actually is what fuels you. Your body runs on carbohydrates and mineral salts. Okay. So all of these foods like dulse, spirulina, bananas, parsley, these foods have trace proteins in them. So you don't need to worry about protein. What you do need to worry about is having too much fat in your body in the morning. That is what clogs your liver, and it makes all of these amazing nutrients in this smoothie more difficult to digest and more difficult to assimilate and absorb, because fat has this quality of slowing down nutrient absorption, thickening your blood, and that sort of thing. So I got the normally I would juice the orange, but my juicer is in the dishwasher right now, so I just put the whole orange in there, getting the stringy parts. But yeah, so this is what I eat every morning. Often, if I have wild blueberries, different kinds of fruits, I mix it up, right? So I could put apples in here. You can put mangoes. You can put whatever, just, you know, spinach, leaves. So you just want to get fruits and leaves and water and blend all of it. And, you know, put some, you know, spirulina in there, some dulse or whatever it is. That's an amazing breakfast, and it's very healthy. You can learn more from Medical Medium. Grab one of his books, like his new book, Life-Changing Foods. You might want to read that. You know, if you want to be healthy, you got to actually read and do good quality research that's not coming from people who don't know what the fuck is going on. So that's what I wanted to share with you. Okay, I hope you like this. Bye.